Hey guys, so today I want to talk about trading using the EMA line. The EMA line is a feature that you can enable here on thinkorswim, and it'll help give you a better idea if the stock is going bull or bear, if it's going up or down. So right here, if you go to studies and add study, you go to moving averages, you'll see they have DEMA here. I like to use legacy EMA, so we'll be using legacy EMA. So this is stock CRMD. This is the 20-day chart, 30-minute intervals. So this was the stock for the past 20 days, how it traded. So let's go in and see what this EMA line is doing. I'm going to zoom in and go to the left side of the graph. So as you can see here, as long as the stock is building above this EMA line, as long as all of these blocks are forming on top of it, it means that the stock is very bullish, and it means that it will keep going up, essentially. Now, when you have to be worried is if the stock starts intersecting with the EMA line, because once it starts intersecting, that means it might soon drop below. And once it drops below, that's a very big bear sign. So I'll give you more examples here. So right here, it started intersecting, and it went above again a little more, but there's another intersection right here, and then it dips below. So dipping below the EMA line shows is a bear move, and means a downtrend is coming. So as you can see here, the stock is about 1.4. Now it's holding up decently well here because it's not below the EMA line. It's actually intersecting with it, but once it drops underneath, you can see that large dip start to happen. So if you actively watch this chart throughout the day, you can easily tell, like, oh, I should probably sell my stock because the price is starting to intersect with the EMA line, so there's probably going to be a dip soon, and you can avoid having this happen to you. So let's keep going forward in the chart. As you can see here, the price continues to dip. Let's see, a couple days later, it's Friday. And on Friday, let's say you notice that, oh, the stock's going up, and it's above the EMA line. This might be a bullish trend, maybe you should buy. So what you have to do is make sure that this trend continues for a bit, so you have to watch it. So this trend started at about 2 p.m. on Friday, and when the market closed, it seemed pretty strong. It never intersected or dipped below the EMA line. And then the next day, this is pre-market hours, so the day really starts over here. So this is what you want to pay attention to. Not really pre-market, just during normal trading hours. So the trend is continuing, and because it's so healthy and building above the EMA line, I would say this is a good buy at this point, because you've been seeing it build above the EMA line for quite some time. So yeah, let's say you buy in this area, right, and you continue to watch the stock, and you notice the next day, oh, it dipped below the EMA line and it's starting to intersect. So does this mean a downtrend is going to happen? Well, you should be on watch and maybe set a stop loss in case. But the real issue is when it starts to dip below, so I would still hold through this period if you bought here. And going forward, you can see that the stock stayed above the EMA line this day and the following day. So now we have next Monday, new week starts, and as you can see, the stock started the day above the EMA line and then dipped below, dipped below, dipped below. The price hasn't really changed much throughout the day, but you can see the whole day the price was under the EMA line. So this is a strong indicator that a sell-off is going to happen, so you could probably sell in this area. So let's say you sold up here because it started dipping below the EMA line. Then the next day, as you can see, the trend continued. The the stock kept forming below the EMA line and kept dipping down more. The stock price started building above the EMA line. So after you notice this happening for a short period of time, you can assume it's safe to buy and just hold as long as this trend continues. So if you bought in this area, let's say, as the stock keeps going up, and then it doesn't start intersecting the EMA line until this point, and this might be an indicator for you to sell, because let's say you sold here, as you can see the stock again dipped and then started going back up again. But yeah, that's how you use the EMA line. It's a very handy way of determining which direction the stock is going to go towards. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to see anything specific, and I'll try to get it up as soon as I can. Bye.